Yeah, hi. In this video, we will be learning how to create a certificate in Microsoft Word. So first thing what you need to do, okay, you need to go to page layout, size A4, orientation, landscape, and drag this till the end. And then you have to go to insert, shapes, and you need to draw the shape. Mm, yeah, this is the border one. Just now press control. Drag it inside so your border will become perfect. Go to insert, go to shapes and make a rectangle box. Perfect, like this. Click here, shape fill, no fill. Same goes for border also. Double click on the border, shape fill, go to gradient, go to more gradient, then go to your gradient filled. Oh, go over here, shape fill, gradient, more gradient, picture texture fill, gradient fill, pattern fill, whichever pattern you want you can take it. Let's say I choose this pattern, so you can take as per your requirement. So now this rectangle box I have drawn over here. Now in the rectangle box, okay, right click over here, go to edit points and add point over here, and add point over here. Now go over here, right click, delete point. Now after deleting the point, click here, delete this point. Yeah, this is the point. Click on control, click shift and drag till here, and here this point you can see. Drag this point till here. Drag till here. This doesn't looks better. Drag till here. This look little better. And if you want, you can fill up the color. Shape fill, you can fill it. If you don't want border, shape outline, no outline. Same for the certificate. If you don't want outline, okay, you can remove the outline, no outline. So you can, okay, by control you can drag it. And then you can rotate, and then you can fit wherever you want to fit. So this way you can develop whichever color you want to put, you can put in. And then the next step will be border, where we have done, we have created through rectangle box also. Text box are 8. So now this you can see everything is been written over here in the text box. Insert text box. Here you will get insert shapes, and here is the text box. So you have to just draw the text box and write the content. Okay, this I have written, okay, Software Computer Center through word art. Okay, in the font size, okay, that is 36. And then again you have to put a certificate of achievement. This I have written, okay, in Calibri, and this I have written in, okay, VLAMDIA Maya script. And then again this is proudly to present again in the text box in Calibri size 22. This is in the size 72 in the Edward Allen script, and this again in the text box. This again in the text box, okay, with William Demer script. This again in the text box. The line I had created, and this sign of the director again in the text box. And this I need to create it. I'll show you how to create the logo. I had made a separate video, okay, how to create a logo. I'll show you how to create the logo. So to create this, it's very simple. You have to go to just insert shape and select whichever shape you want, drag it, shape outline, make it golden, and again insert shape, take the circle shape, draw it, shape fill. This also you can fill with golden color. Just drag this inside, or you can take the another color. I have took the green, so I'll take the green here also. So this is the green color. And then you can put, okay, this right check also. You have to go to insert word art, take any let's say I'm taking the red word art. Here is the message. You have to type the text here. Remove the text, go to insert, go to symbol, take the check marker symbol, just drag this, equation, sorry, symbol, take this symbol. So make sure it has to be in word art, then only the symbol will come, otherwise it will come a small check. Yeah, so like this, okay, the symbol has been created. Then this you can see, okay, the two sticks over here like this. This also you can create, okay, in shapes. Insert, go to rectangle, create one rectangle box. Here right click, edit point, just add one point over here. Edit point, add point, and drag it little bit inside. Good. So the stick is ready. You can rotate the stick, and you can fill up by whichever color you want. Take the stick, keep it here. If the size is more, decrease the size. Wrap text behind text. So in this way you can make the other side also. And this, okay, you just need to type in the text box. Okay, it's very simple that you can do. You can type in the text box, and the main thing, okay, is to make this border and this the outline. Okay, this red and red, this two outline I have shown you how to create it. This you can do in the normal insert text box, that you can write as per your requirement. And this is, okay, a small logo I had shown you how to create it. And to create this type of logo, there is a separate video for it. I hope you have understood the video. If you have any query, you can always ask me.